guys, it's me again. My name is Diana. Today I will show you how easy it is to earn $125 on signals in just 5 minutes. Transactions will be 1 minute at a time on our signals. The signals are free and open. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the description below this video. Let's get started! Let's see, I'm opening our Telegram channel with signals. As I said, I will leave the link in the description below this video. All I need is to wait for the next signal and make a deal on a new minute candle. So the signal came, I find this currency pair on the broker's platform. I shouldn't forget to check the payout on this currency pair. Now a new candle has opened and you can make a deal. Let's wait for the result. Pay attention, I have pre-selected the amount of the contract, the expiration time, and I was preparing to press the button in advance. We are waiting for the completion of the transaction. This contract brought me $45 net profit. I waited for the next signal. I see a new signal and repeat all the actions. There is not much time left and I immediately buy a contract for reduction. It is important to make sure that the payment under this contract is more than 70%. I had a pre-selected transaction amount of $50 and a transaction time of 1 minute. I'm waiting for the completion of the contract. By the way, our Telegram robot also trades on this signal, and you can see the image of an hourglass. And if the robot misses the signal, then a picture of the trash can will appear. The contract is over and I earn $40. Waiting for a new signal. As soon as the signal is out, I repeat all the actions again. I find a currency pair, the transaction amount is $50 and the transaction time is 1 minute. My contract brought me another $40 net profit. That's how easy it is. I'm waiting for you in my Telegram channel. Under this video I will post the link to my profile. Write to me in private messages and I will teach you how to trade. Bye!